Welcome to Affiliately. In this video, we're going to show you how to integrate Affiliately with your WooCommerce store. After creating your account and selecting WooCommerce as your source technology, you need to get to your Affiliately dashboard. From here, you need to go to the Integrations tab. Here in the Integrations tab, you will find most of the information needed for this process. The first thing to do is to click on this link to download the zip file that contains the Affiliately WordPress plugin that is going to be used for the integration. After downloading it to your computer, you need to go to your WordPress admin dashboard. From here, let's go to Plugins. Let's click on Add New and Upload Plugin. Here we will need to choose the file we just downloaded or just drag and drop it. We confirm that the file we selected is correct and click on Install Now. The plugin has been uploaded successfully and we just need to activate the plugin. After the plugin activation, we're going to see a new menu item that is called Affiliately Integration. Let's go there. We're going to need two pieces of information. First is your Affiliately admin code and second is your secure hash. Let's go get them. For the first one, that is your Affiliately admin code, we can find it back at the Integrations tab. It's going to be right here. So we're going to select, copy, and paste it. For the second one, we need to go to the Account tab. Here at the Account tab, we're going to see security hash, and here it is. Let's copy and paste it. After having the two values, we can click on Save Changes. Now the settings are saved and the integration is finished. If you want to test the integration, you can go back to your Affiliately account, add the Integration tab, and you can look for a test affiliate link that is going to be located right here. So we need to open it on a new tab, and once we visit it, we're going to generate a test visit that is going to be tracked by Affiliately. After visiting the link, we can go back to the dashboard and you will see that visit that is appearing on the report. This confirms the integration with WooCommerce. This is it for now, and if you need anything else, please contact our support team. They will be happy to assist you. Thank you for using Affiliately.